The second set of rounds is identical to the previous rounds except for two changes. First, the user can communicate with the provider using a chat window. A user can send text messages to the provider at the beginning of each round. That is, a user can communicate with the provider. The provider can also communicate with the three users. However, a user cannot communicate with other users. Other than that, the decision options for the users and the providers are identical to the previous rounds. Users still have the same options as before: pay, petition, or exit. The provider also has the same options as before: fully invest and minimally invest. The user can communicate with the provider about any aspect of the exercise at the beginning of each round. However, there are two restrictions. You're not allowed to promise the other players side payments or threaten them with any consequence after the experiment is finished. You're not allowed to reveal your real identity. Note that the chat conversation does not affect neither the user's nor the provider's earnings. The second change is that a user can now observe the provider's decision and earnings. However, as before, the user still cannot observe other users. The provider can also observe the decisions and earnings of each user after making its decision. Next, you will take a short quiz. After that, you will play the second set of rounds.